Student, again some term ligands and its type. Ligands are lone pair donor. Okay, atoms or species that is they have one or more atoms. They have one or more atoms with what? Lone pair. With lone pair. Very important thing. One donor atom can donate only one lone pair. Only one lone pair. Even if they have more than one lone pair. That is, student, one donor atom can donate only one lone pair. Okay, even if they are having more than one lone pair, but they cannot donate their all the lone pairs. One donor atom means one lone pair. Okay. The number of donor atom decides the denticity. This is called what? Denticity of coordination compound. Okay, or ligand. Or what? Ligand. Simply we can call it what? For ligand. That is, the denticity stand for ligand. Means the number of donor atom. On this basis, it is of following type. Like first one we can say monodentate. And we are studying about the type of ligand. So monodentate ligand. If ligand have only one donor atom, called monodentate ligand. Okay, example, in ammonia only nitrogen is a donor atom. Hydrogen are not a donor atom because they are not having lone pair. Okay, it is only nitrogen which carries lone pair. Therefore, it is called what? Monodentate ligand. Getting? Student, very interesting thing. In H2O, oxygen is donor atom, but it has two lone pair. But I told you, one donor atom can donate only one lone pair. Therefore, even there are more than one lone pair, whenever it is considered as mono. Mono stand for what? Single species. Dentate ligand. Second one is didentate or bidentate. You can also use this term, bidentate. Okay, if two donor atoms are there, two donor atoms are present and in a compound both can simultaneously donate their lone pairs. Okay, that means what? Here the condition is there must be two donor atoms and both can donate simultaneously their lone pair to the central metal atom. Like example, we can take ethane 1,2-diamine. 1,2-diamine. Now in ethane 1,2-diamine, you can call it, this is what? Ethane. And 1,2-diamine means, say N, and this is N, and H2 for amine. H2 and H2. Now student, the nitrogen, this one is having one lone pair, and another nitrogen also having what? One lone pair. Therefore this is called what? Didentate. Didentate. Okay. When they donate lone pair, they donate lone pairs to metal, forms what? Pentagonal ring. Pentagonal what? Compound or cyclic compound. Like here CH2, this is CH2, this is N, this is another N. Okay, this is now their H2, okay, NH2, or you can write here NH2 here, NH2. And if there is a platinum, so if they are donating their lone pair, like here this one, and like here this one. Okay, so the 5-membered ring is called, this 5-membered ring is known as chelate or chelate. You can read it chelate or chelate. Getting this? And this process is known as chelation or chelation. Okay. So on the basis of number of donor atom, if one donor atom, monodentate, if two donor atom, didentate. But student, one more very important